You are getting me upset. Dear Supreme Court of Justice, or should I say Britain's Supreme Court for Jamaicans, how can the judicial system rule that it is okay for an educational institute to ban dreadlocks on a child's head? You are getting me upset. The most iconic Jamaican Bob Marley is a Rasta man. Jamaican cultural ambassadors Bojo, Sizzla, Caputan, even Beanie Man, look at Coffee. They are all Rastafarians. You are getting me upset. Do you have no respect for our kind Jamaican roots and culture? Are you not a servant of the people? This Eurocentric mentality needs to stop in Jamaica this instant. You are getting me upset. We need to break this cycle of inadvertent oppression. Stop getting me upset. This is embarrassing, disgusting, and outrageous. You are perpetuating self-hate and holding on tight to the foolish and stupid legacy of our past colonial masters. This is systematic racism. Does hair on your head permit you from learning? Every child deserves the right to have access to an education regardless of their hair, religion, color, or creed. These house slaves are getting me upset. Mr. Prime Minister, I am calling on you to address this matter and fix things. I thank you.
It's Epicflows.